All right, today we are going to build your personal roadmap to a career that's pretty much future-proof. And we're going to do it by navigating the world of Amazon Web Services, or AWS certifications. So let's dive right in. So let me just ask you a direct question. Are you ready to build a career that's in super high demand, pays really, really well, and offers a ton of flexibility? Because honestly, that's exactly what's on the table today. And look, that's not just hype, it's a fact. Skills in AWS are consistently ranked as some of the most valuable, most sought-after skills in the entire tech industry. This is your ticket to the big leagues, for real.
Which brings us to our first section, the cloud opportunity. We're going to frame this whole thing as a kind of career quest, and I'll show you exactly why that quest should begin right here, with AWS.
The reason is actually pretty simple. They completely dominate the market. AWS is the undisputed #1 cloud platform in the world, period. Companies of all sizes, from tiny startups to the biggest global players, they rely on it for basically everything: computing, storage, AI, machine learning, you name it. Okay, so what's in it for you? Let's get to the good stuff. The rewards on this quest are huge. We're talking excellent salaries, a credential that's recognized anywhere on the planet, and a constant, massive demand for what you can do. Plus, a lot of these jobs are remote-friendly, and AWS gives you a really clear, structured way to learn it all. You know, every good quest needs a map, and for AWS, that map is the certification structure itself. It's broken down into 4 really clear levels of mastery that take you from a total beginner all the way up to a specialized expert.
So here's the overview of that map. You start at the foundational level, then you move up to associate. That's where you build your core hands-on skills. Then you advance to professional to really prove you're an expert. And finally, you can branch out into a super high-demand specialty. It's a perfectly designed path.
Every journey has to start somewhere, right? In the AWS world, that first step is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. We'll just call it the CCP. This is the official entry point. It's made for beginners, and it covers all the fundamentals you need to know to, speak the language of the cloud. So let's move up. Once you have that entry ticket with a CCP, we get to the associate level. And this is where the magic really happens. This is the practical, hands-on stage where most successful cloud careers are actually built. And right here, we have the undisputed champion of all AWS certifications, the Solutions Architect Associate, or SAA. It is by far the single most popular certification they offer. And why is that? Because it teaches you the #1 skill: how to design strong, reliable systems using the absolute core services like EC2 for servers and S3 for storage. This cert is the true foundation of a cloud engineering career. Okay, so with that foundation laid, it's time to choose your adventure. This next section is all about tailoring a certification path to your specific career goals. Let's figure out which quest is the right one for you. First up, we've got the most common and versatile path, the one for aspiring cloud engineers and solutions architects. These are the folks who design and build the cloud infrastructure that powers pretty much everything you use online. The path here is so clear and powerful. You start with the CCP for the basics, then you get your Solutions Architect Associate, that SAA, to build those practical design skills. And finally, you conquer the Solutions Architect Professional, the SAP, to become an expert in designing complex, large-scale systems. But what if you're a developer? You're not just designing the infrastructure, you're building the actual applications that run on it. Well, there's a specialized path just for you. For developers, the journey also kicks off with the CCP, but then it pivots. You go for the Developer Associate, which focuses on all the services for building apps, like Lambda for serverless code and DynamoDB for super fast databases. From there, you can level up to the DevOps Engineer Professional, where you master those automated pipelines that build and deploy software. In today's world, security is not an afterthought. It is everything. And that has created a huge, huge demand for cloud security experts. This path is for anyone who wants to be a guardian of the cloud. And this is a perfect example of how the paths can intersect. For security, you start with your CCP, but then it's highly recommended you get the Solutions Architect Associate. Why? Because you can't secure what you don't understand. Once you have that solid architectural foundation, you can go on to master the security specialty certification. We've talked about the map, we've talked about the paths. Now, let's talk about the reward. What's the treasure at the end of this quest? Well, it's access to some of the very best jobs and salaries in the entire tech industry. Let's just look at the numbers because they tell a really powerful story. Even at the entry level with a cloud practitioner cert, you're looking at a great salary, potentially up to $100,000. But just notice the jump. Moving to the Solutions Architect Associate can push you well into the 110 to 140K range. And by the time you reach the professional or specialty levels, well, now you're in a very elite group with potential earnings pushing $200,000. Let's just isolate that top number for a moment. $200,000. That is the potential for these top-tier specialty roles like cloud security. This isn't just about getting a job, it's about building a high-value career, and specialization is what gets you to the very top. So, after seeing all of that, really the only question left is, how do you start? Let's bring this all home with a simple, clear, actionable first step to begin your journey right now. If you take only one thing away from this whole explainer, let it be this. The single most common, most valuable, and most recommended path for the vast majority of people is this one. Start with the Cloud Practitioner, then earn your Solutions Architect Associate, and then aim for the Solutions Architect Professional. This path builds a versatile and incredibly powerful foundation for any cloud career you can imagine. And with that, your map is in your hands. The path is clear, and the rewards are absolutely waiting for you. Your cloud journey officially starts now. So the only question left is, what will you build?